Are you searching for the best VEVOR electric winch? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best VEVOR electric winch in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. This is best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time. VEVOR 3,500 pounds electric winch, your vehicle's backup power, designed specifically for off-road recovery. Our heavy-duty electric winch offers a powerful 3,500 pounds of line pull capacity. When your vehicle gets stuck in mud or caught in a downpour, this winch provides the extra drive you need to get back on track quickly. Ideal for towing jobs for small vehicles such as ATVs and UTVs, ensuring your adventures never come to a halt. Ease of use, hassle-free operation. Our small winch features a wired remote control with a waterproof and corrosion-resistant casing, ensuring reliable performance in any weather. Simply connect the power cord, and you're ready to perform self-rescue work for barrier-free vehicle operation. Unlike wireless remotes, you won't have to worry about losing batteries, making it a more dependable choice for outdoor recovery. Thanks for watching till the end. This was a short review video where I tried to give you the key highlights of the product in the shortest time possible so your time doesn't go to waste. I always aim to keep things simple, clear, and helpful. If you're interested in learning more about the product or checking the latest price, you'll find all the links in the description below. You can also order directly from there if you want. I really appreciate your time, and if you found this video useful, feel free to like, share, or even subscribe for more short and helpful product reviews. See you in the next one.